Chat. What's up, chat? Just run for the giveaway for those that only like to stream. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I slept like absolute shit last night. I'm tired today, man. I'm tired today. Hope you guys are all doing well. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to see all of you guys in here. I'm on Wednesday today because I'm covering for the brother Abe. He's gonna be with you guys tomorrow. So yeah, so I'm with you guys today. AB will be with you guys tomorrow. AB will be with you guys tomorrow. Jesus, I can't speak. Yes, sir. I hope you guys are doing well. We can hop into some charts, do our thing. So, just based off higher time frames alone, chat, I can already tell you NQ is going to be a no trading kind of day today, unless there is some mega volume that comes in. But I doubt it. Higher time frame trading above highs, I'm bullish overall, so I'm going to need to see some sort of wicked pullback in order to long this market. So, yeah, NQ ain't looking like... Second. I'm not too sure if there's going to be enough volume in NQ for me to take any position today, because again, if I'm long, why would I long above highs? So we'll have to wait and see what happens here. I mean, we still got stock open. I was actually, to be completely honest with you, I was waiting last night in Asia for price to stab these lows. We never did. So excuse me, I couldn't get in any longs last night because that's what I was looking at, maybe like an Asia play, but didn't come along. Same with me. Sleep was horrible. Yeah, bro. I had a tough night of sleep, and I have no idea why. Just one of those ones. Just one of those ones, man. Gold, I'm going to continue to lean on shorts here. Trees. Have to see what price does up here. There's a chance on gold. This is what happens. Something like that. You missed short in London session? It's okay, brother. I was sleeping. Well, actually, no, I lied. I wasn't sleeping. I was sleeping shit. I was barely sleeping. So that's the look on how did I do this? That's the look on gold right now. We'll have to see what happens here as well. As of right now, I would not short below here, and I would not long above here. So basically these two lines here as like trapped price. Okay, so nothing to take right now on gold. Have to wait. Have to wait. But we'll keep an eye. Aussie. Excuse me. I was actually anticipating longs in this area. I didn't take anything, but because obviously I need to wait for a reaction of some sort. But we end up taking the high, overall high, which ends up being Monday's high. So I'm not sure what Aussie ends up doing today, but these lows intact are definitely something I have my eye on. Maybe a spike above 4 hour, and then we continue to see a drop down. I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see. Euro, nothing to take really. Excuse me. Highs intact. Yeah, nothing to take on Euro yet, bro. I'm still in these USD CAD longs, chat. It's been a minute. I've been in since market open. It's Wednesday morning now. But we are 50% out. We'll see how the rest of it plays out. German 40 looks like it's going to continue long. I haven't really been monitoring it, to be honest with you guys. Excuse me. Yeah, I've been monitoring it. But yeah, it looks like it's going to go long on the higher time frames, chat. It's got all these highs intact up here. Let's see. Yesterday I long silver and made 1.3 R. Well done, bro. Well done. What's your best time in the 5K run? My 5K PR is in a workout right now. It's not even in a race. I did it in a workout. It's 19:10. At the peak of my fitness, I probably could have done like 18:45 maybe. In and around there. What's up, Damien? Good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning. If I had to stick to one time frame, what would it be? 5 or 15 minute probably. 5 of the 15 probably. Chat, what do you guys think? Gold back to all-time highs or no? I don't think so. Think so. Best trading week of my career this week, running a 15R on AUDJPY, 9K. Let's go, bro. AUDJPY. You say short? Oh no, you didn't say anything. Let me see what you took. Looks like long. If I had to pinpoint down here, what do you mean? You think or don't think? Bro? What do you mean? Oh, you're talking about gold? Maybe? Last Tuesday you're talking about. Oh, wow. All the way down here. Good stuff, man. I don't think we have a reason to go higher right now. So, doesn't make sense, right? Look. We finally have taken out this liquidity here. Right? And we're starting to get that relief. So, I'm gonna marry short for sure. To get into short though right now is not really possible in my opinion. Taking out lows. Now we're trading below highs and above lows. Right? So you gotta wait. You gotta wait. I wish there's been fucking entries on this thing recently. I have payouts coming on CFD. 0 payouts coming on futures right now because of this asset in front of us right now. This thing, bro. This shit asset. What advice do you give for upcoming traders? Maintain long-term vision. Long-term vision, patience. As soon as you start rushing the process, you slow yourself down. You do not want rush progress in trading. It'll yield more mistakes for sure. What are your thoughts on the 15-minute orb strategy? I've never used it. I don't even know how it works, bro. You got gold trading below these lows now. Ideally, I think it's gonna probably rally to these highs. Excuse me. Realist mentor, big Uno yourself, brother. Much love, Daniel. Appreciate you. Are you a full-time trader? Yes, sir. Aussie above 4-hour high. We got 2 minutes to the open here. Thoughts on EU? I'm still gonna just remain bearish, but there's no sells for me right now. I'm bearish, but there's no sell opportunity. Look at all these highs intact here, bro. You improved my trading skills so much. I appreciate you. No worries, Lauren. I appreciate the kind words, bro. Is daily high now? Yeah, it is. Learn your strategy. I've mastered it. I just got a coffee delivered to me. Chat. Wait. Not bad. Not bad, chat. You all good? I just slept like shit, bro. I got no energy today, my man. Any idea about NQ? No, nothing, bro. Nothing. I'm bullish, and it's trading above highs. This is heavy no trading territory for me right now. Heavy no trading territory. See the weekly on these euro pairs, so it's possible that, yeah, it's possible the weekly high is printed already. I do want to get a swing on euro, but no entry yet. We've just built liquidity at these highs though, so this is an area for the future. Excuse me, for the future for sure. For sure, for sure. Euro on the higher, I mean Aussie on the higher time frames. If you guys can sneak in a continuation, this is the target on Aussie. This is my short from yesterday. And there you go, chat. It's an easy read today. We blast bullish off the open. There ain't no way of trading this. Gold below the lows. Chad, the indicator is called. Pause the stream. Screenshot it, whatever you need to do. It's right here. Yeah, look at that, chat. Wow. This is a shit one, bro, because I anticipated New York to go bullish today. That's why I wanted the entry in Asia. Couldn't have entered in Asia. Look at this fucking price action in Asia, bro. I had a limit set below these. Not a limit, sorry. I had my alerts below these lows. Take advantage of this higher time frame move, but couldn't do it. The charts did not want us in the moves. That's the next internal point on NQ. 25,260. What's up, Bigfoot? How we doing, bro? I like that name. Possible 10M reversal when it gets to 25-2260? No. It's just a lower time frame high. It should continue. This could provide a little bit of a pullback. But I'm bullish, bro. I'm bullish. Bullish, my man. There's been no way of entering this right now, bro. It's been a tough week for NQ, for me personally. There's been no type of entries. No type of entries. Gold continuing right now. Good morning, Marco. Thank you for what you do. Much love, GI Sync. Appreciate you, bro. Thanks for hopping in the stream. Chad, I got a lack of energy today, bro. I slept like shit. I had a long night of just no sleeping, bro. One of those nights, bro, and I know you guys probably know where I'm coming from. One of those nights where you just toss and turn all night long. And you just can't seem to fall asleep and stay asleep. You know what I mean? So, one of those ones. Gold falling off a cliff. We look at here. Let's pull up the 4 hour so you guys can see the daily chart. If we get entries on gold, this could be a possible swing, chat. Lower. No entries yet, though. Entries as of yet. I haven't slept for the last 40 hours? Oh my god. Oh my god. Aussie's holding this high right now, chat. You can see here as well, look. Don't know if it continues bullish or not. We have all these internal highs as well. Gold still selling. NQ mooning. Kind of VS following suit. YM. Waiting for the day when I take a YM trade again. Well, why you only focus on specific pairs? Do you want me to have 27 pairs on my list? NQ's about to take those highs there. Easy draw. No trade though. Gold selling. I don't know if it does sell. I really don't know where it's gonna bottom out at, chat. But based off this price action we have in front of us right now, I don't really see much of a reason to take any entries as of yet. Just gotta wait. Could hold this low. We'll have to wait and see on that. NQ above the highs. 25,260 stabbed. Just like this. Currently printing new highs of day. New highs of the day. Yeah, do we have... News is tomorrow. 8:30 a.m. tomorrow, so... An hour before stock open, 30 minutes into New York Open. You got unemployment claims tomorrow morning, chat, so keep an eye on that. I'm in gold short. I took a short on London session. Yeah, if you got in... Yeah, I wouldn't be in it anymore. Gold short. I did like this, but there's no confirmation to these lows. But once that concludes, I don't see anything else. PM Nvidia earnings. Alan, is that today? How we know the low is holding? Just based off my system, bro. We've sweeped out liquidity. This is going to be acting as a liquidity block, so price usually respects these areas. Doesn't mean it's going to fly all the way back. Like, it's not going to fly on the higher time frames, but they tend to give reactions. And that's important to note. It's important to note. USD CAD's continuing. Okay, maybe we're going to hit target today. I don't know. I've been holding this one for a minute now, so... Targeting this high. Oof, it's been a choppy one though. Happens though. Honestly, with the known news early week in FX, yo, this is a common theme. Look at the daily chart though, chat. This is nice. Wednesday below Tuesday. We're getting that move to the upside right now. I want to swing short gold. Yeah, that's what I was just saying. I think swing shorts could occur. Could occur. It's possible. Hey Marco, how do you pay on fee for holding overnight trade? It's just called swap on Forex. So like, actually, I believe today is the big swap fee. So what Wednesday night is considered the rollover. So Wednesday night is a big swap fee. So tonight, if the target does not get hit today, there'll be a big swap fee tonight. It's like 3x, yeah, something like that. Something like that. Something like that. Big moves today. Not ideal trading conditions, man. Not ideal. Oh, I'd be laughing right now, bro. If there was entries in Asia, I'd be laughing. Entry in Asia, hold it through New York, but... Marco, can you take the hat off? I have my hat off every other stream. I'm tired today, man. I'm tired today, bro. This coffee's half saving my life right now. Yes, provided that entry, but you don't do SMT. Yeah, I just trade NQ. I literally just added ES to my list because I know a lot of people trade it. And I just look at it for them. Is there a liquidity trap masterclass part 2? Yes, sir. It's already on the YouTube. It's already on the YouTube. Euro building plenty of liquidity at the lows here. Let's see if the highs don't get taken today, chat. I mean, I don't think they will. We've already had quite a decent move, bro. We're looking over 300 points to the upside. If highs don't get taken today, meaning these ones here at 25,514, I'm going to be eyeing continuations tomorrow and Friday. Thank you, brother. Much blessings coming your way soon. Appreciate you, Daniel. Gold reflecting the low. Yes, sir. I'm gonna set an alert on these highs up here on EU. Sir, gold will move up. I mean, it's gone up 210 pips already, so that's a great analysis. I'm gonna be flat all week on fucking futures. I can smell it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Solid reaction so far on gold. These highs are the draw. They should be the draw. 51.97. This is a Wanda feed, so I don't know what feeds you guys use, but this is the feed I use on CFD. It's crazy. Over 200 points off the open, bro. Crazy, chat. Look at this daily candle on NQ. Why do all these charts look like shit, chat? Marco, my man, what's up? What's good, brother? What's good? Chat, give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. I gotta use the washroom real quick, bro. I mean, you guys know how it goes. And the coffee talks, man. Give me 2 minutes, chat. Let me write down on this screen. One sec, chat. Be back, chat. Gold almost at the highs now. Marco doing side quests. That was fast? Come on, bro. I'm efficient as fuck over here. That's light work. That is light work. It's actual light work. Come on. Diabolical price action, chat. Diabolical. That's what this is. Diabolical. My activity in the futures market is dead right now. Dead. Patience is the key, right, Sensei? Oh, man. In the futures market this year, that has been my middle name, man. It's just been a month and a half of choppy price, inconsistent. Mark, I'll use your way to understand liquidity and mix it with ICT, and you don't believe me. I took total 7 trades this month, 4 loss, each 1% loss, and 3 with 1 to 7.5, 1 to 7, and 1 to 5.5. Gosh, well done, bro. That's some savage RR. Well done. Yo, Ty, what's up, bro? Love you, brother. Appreciate you for hopping in. I appreciate you for hopping in. W. Tyler in the chat, bro. Much love. Aussie showing rejections off these highs. If I had to guess, if this thing sells, I'm probably going to eye Asia tonight. See what New York does today, and then see if Asia can provide an entry. See, I mean, these lows just fucking look insane, chat. These lows look insane. But could be left for later. Could be left for later. So, I feel like as New York prints its PA today, if we continue to break down, however we do, Asia might provide something. Or it doesn't, and it waits for unemployment claims for tomorrow morning. Right? I feel like a lot of the dollar pairs will be waiting for unemployment claims tomorrow morning. Makes the most sense to me, at least. Makes the most sense to me. Look at NQ, bro. It's on a fucking mission, chat. It's on a mission. Four-hour highs now come in. I got stuck with the chop day today, chat. I have a feeling we're going to chop today because of news tomorrow morning. Our only news event of the week, I believe. Because Friday we have news as well, actually. But we had no news Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we get that chop. Nothing really consistent. And then tomorrow gets priced in. And there's your highs, chat. There's your highs. See what price delivers up here above these highs. I can't trade 2 accounts on CFD right now. I'm waiting for 2 payouts on 2 different accounts, so I'm trading a different one right now. Well, I have another one ready is what I'm saying. But yeah, CFD has provided me a lot more opportunity than futures lately. A lot more opportunity. But CFD has never been like the struggle for me. Like if I had to actually, if someone was to ask me what market is easier for you to achieve a payout in, CFDs times a million. It's not difficult at all for me to achieve payouts in CFDs. Futures has been so inconsistent, man. Like I've gotten plenty of payouts and I've made decent amount of money in futures, but not nearly as consistent as what I do in CFDs. And like, I don't want to say with ease, but I don't know. The scalping, maybe I'm just a shit scalper, chat. Maybe I'm a shit scalper. I don't know. Marco, best CFD firm. One great firm is, for example, is Alpha Capital. Then focus on Forex props. I do. I trade Forex, bro. I have 2 payouts coming right now. You are the GOAT. Not the GOAT, but I'm trying to become a savage in futures. And I will eventually. I will. It'll come. It'll come, chat. It'll come. I'm not worried, honestly. The scalability in futures, chat, is really, really good. That's why. You can make a lot of money in futures. I've never learned so much and so well from anyone but you. Much love, bro. Much love. All right, gold. Giving a reaction out of the highs right now. Nothing crazy though, chat. Booked a long scalp on gold. W, bro. Good stuff. Some good stuff right there. Yeah, if you guys wanted to, I didn't want to, but if you wanted to take a long on gold, it would have been just below this low probably. That would have been your best option. And then your stop. An idea, I don't even know if you can get, I think this is probably like a 1 to 2.5. That was pretty close, chat. Look at that. 1 to 2.5. Pretty bang on, no? That's what it would have looked like. But the reason why I'm interested in sells now, chat, is because we have just induced sellers by taking out these lows. Look at this move to the downside. This induces sellers, and now we've just trapped them. So price could sell to the downside from here. It's possible. So we'll see what the lower time frames do. If there's an entry, wonderful. If not, I wouldn't be surprised. And I'll probably, to be honest with you, take this on futures. And the chart looks exactly the same, so I'm not worried. Not convinced at all that this is the extreme yet, chat. So this high, the blue high, is still at risk of getting ran. We could still get price above this high. So don't jump the gun. But there is SMT with silver at the lows. I have no idea what that means, man. Chat, I have shown you guys this indicator about 433 times already, man. Higher time frame power of 3. That's what it's called. Euro's running for these highs. Nice. Wow, it's coming quite quick, bro. Maybe could provide something today. I'd be surprised though with news tomorrow. 8:30 news tomorrow. Sorry, passing indicator. No worries. You know what I gotta do though, chat, is I gotta create like a exclamation mark indicator in the chat. Everybody's asking. It's pretty popular, to be honest with you. A lot of people use it. Will you do a USD CAD review? It's not done yet. Trade isn't finished. Alert set on Euro, right? Yeah, I do. $10.17. Yeah, Jonathan, for sure, bro. 100%. One of the best for sure. One of the best. God bless Marco. Good morning. What's up? I'm gonna butcher this name. Atori? Atori? I didn't butcher it that bad. Itori. Italian? Jonathan, right here on the right, bro. Right here on the right. That doesn't change. Yes, Marco, let's go. A fellow Italian brother in here. Us Sicilians allow it. Scuba, are you Sicilian? Nice. Let's go, Scuba. Love to see it. Hourly's looking decent. 10 a.m. swept. 9 a.m. Good rejection right now. Marco's helping so many newbie traders. You are blessed. Much love, bro. I believe this high should come now. Let's see. This high could get ran again though, chat. On average, how many trades you take per week with your strategy? I've taken 2 trades this week on CFD, 0 on futures. I took 2 trades on Monday, basically. I took USD CAD long at market open, basically, and Aussie short yesterday. Or not yesterday. Monday night. Monday night. Jack, it's about 100%. My average screen time? Not a long time, bro. I recommend this for everybody, like 2 hours a day probably. I hop on with you guys. I usually check my charts right before stream just to get an idea of what's everything going on. Not long, and then I'm on the charts for stream with you guys. Newbie here, Marco. Where do I learn from? No worries, bro. Chat mods, if you can spam Chart Fanatics YouTube video in the chat. I also have my own YouTube channel you can watch as well. Plenty of content there. We just posted a brand new video yesterday, actually. Spam me. Mark, do I plan on coming to Italy? Of course. Of course. Soon enough, brother. Soon enough. Hopefully soon. I have a lot of plans right now, but hopefully soon. There you are. Interact is my other channel. Yes, sir. If you want to watch my YouTube videos, chat. That's my YouTube channel if you want to check out my videos. Completely up to you. Hopefully this thing doesn't rock in the PM session, chat. Hopefully not. Scuba, which asset are you talking about? Tesla. Oh shit, you did say Tesla. That's my bad. You know what? Let's take a look. I never look at stocks, so I have no idea. This is a false bullish move, 100%. Delayed. Yeah, I don't have real-time data. This looks like a great short on Tesla. I do not like this bullish move whatsoever. This is a higher time frame though, by the way, Scuba, so it could fuck around on the lower time frames for a bit. That was just a higher time frame analysis. Where it can go today, the 1 minute's been a bit choppy after that big bullish move off the open. Or sorry, this was yesterday. Yeah, this is off the open actually, sorry. I would just say short. I would just say short. The current PA isn't pretty, but does your trading strategy work on stocks? Listen, I don't know. I really don't know. And I'll tell you why I don't know. I've never traded stocks. I've never traded stocks. Now, if stocks move the same as these indices, yeah. But I've never traded them. So I don't know. I do not know. Yo, Mac, come on. Yes, I can apply it for Bitcoin. I'm still bearish. That does not change on Bitcoin. If you guys are long in this thing, good luck. Do you use IFEGs? I do not. What price point I can short to on BTC? Excuse me. These are all targets I have. These are all targets I have. So, the next destination, you can call it, is 49K. 20,000 away. Might trade with a crypto firm. Take advantage of some of these moves. Like this move we got here, chat, was simple and clean as hell. We talked about it on stream for how many times? NQ is probably just going to continue, chat. Looks like it, at least. Now that it's 10:30 as well, should start seeing another move to the upside, probably, at least. Yo, Game Hub, welcome in, bro. Here's a YouTube video. Give it a watch. Should answer a lot of your questions. $30-minute lows taken on gold here. Nothing I like, bro. Can just continue down. If it goes long, it will go long from here. If the higher time frame prevails and we continue going short, then you'll see these lows, you'll see these lows, etc. But like I said about this blue dot up here, it's possible this isn't the high. It is possible, chat. Today is not my day. Yeah, God's plan. So I trade Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays. I'm just covering for another trader today. So I took over today. I won't be with you guys tomorrow. Won't be with you guys tomorrow. Bro, my mom is also watching stream. Can you say hi to her? What's up, Bigfoot's mom? How we doing? A low tagged out. There it is. Baldy, you have been taking all these big trades privately. Is there a permanent ban button? Wish there was. I don't know, maybe mods, if you can go in and permanently ban Dirty Rib for me. I got no time for that shit. Nah, World Info, I'm not coming tomorrow, unfortunately. And chat, I apologize about the lack of energy I got today. I slept like absolute shit, man. I'm only human, and like I had no energy when I woke up today. No energy. I gotta grind through today now. I got a lot of shit I gotta do. I gotta go gym. I gotta get cardio in today. I got a lot of stuff to do, and I'm gonna do it on no energy. I appreciate you, Yama. I do. Thank you, thank you. I passed out last night too without setting my alarm. My phone died, so I didn't have my alarm set. So I woke up in the middle of the night. My light was still on. So I was like, what the fuck? My light was on. My phone was there. I got to plug it in, turn my light off, and go back to bed. It was just an interesting night, to say the least, chat. An interesting one. If I had to put my finger on it, chat, gold should just continue. The thing is, and like this is something you got to keep in mind, chat, is tomorrow we have news. It's our first news event of the week so far. Can you really anticipate big moves to occur, the higher time frame moves to occur, without these news events occurring yet, being priced in yet? Think about it logically. More coffee, bro. Today's gonna be a day of caffeine for sure. For sure. In Niraj, sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Some firms allow gold trading right now, and some firms don't. Yeah, I appreciate you, Maddie. Thank you, thank you. Gold going long, yeah. Missing it. My kids dropped some crazy virus at home. My stomach hurts. Ah, Nuno. Feel better, bro. Feel better. You and the family. NQ selling. Interesting. Is everyone here just getting their news from Twitter? Yo. J. Michael. I think Twitter is the best form of news. Missing my coffee? Ah. I got my coffee. Just sold EU. Is it valid? No. Hell no. Hell to the no, bro. Can I show you my chart colors? Of course. The body is the first gray. Everything else is black 100%. Second, the bearish candle, black 100%. Borders black, wick black, wick black. My canvas is white right now. Crosshair gray. Just pause the stream, right? You can get all the information there. Pause the stream and you can take all my colors if you need to. Where's Wifey? Wifey's in chat. Don't you worry. Wifey's in chat. There you go. Told you, chat. Wifey's always ready. Feeding the doggo. See? She's doing her thing. Feeding the pup. Looks like Aussie's gonna continue, chat. Excuse me. Higher time frame wise, look. Maybe you start seeing the higher time frame go bearish from there. Makes sense. Look at this. So maybe we don't go bearish yet. We leave these lows on Aussie. I banked on this short at least. You know what's funny, chat, is... Here, look. I'll show you. I got a clean exit on it. Because I was going to hold to the lows. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. Red arrow. So I was going to hold to the overall lows. But then I saw a chance of us reversing. Liquidity getting swept on the left-hand side. The 4-hour time frame, it was screaming. Screaming bullish. So, yeah, I closed out. Closed out full. And I banked myself like $3,500. So, it's crazy to think about, chat, because that used to be my monthly paycheck. Right? If you really bag that. Is $3,500 a lot of money in the trading world? No. But if I'm going to sit here and compare myself to every other trader, what good am I doing? The way I like to look at it is I just made $3,500 US as well. That in Canadian is even more. That used to be my monthly paycheck when I was working full-time in plumbing. That used to be my monthly paycheck. And I did that in a day, clicking a couple buttons. So I'm always going to be forever grateful. Always. Always, always, always. Count your blessings. Like I said, you can scroll on Twitter and you'll see people doing 20K withdrawals, 40K withdrawals. And that's fine. That's completely fine. And you know what? I'll get there one day at my own pace. A lot of these people have been trading longer than me. And again, that's completely fine. There's also people there that have been trading less than me and making more than me. Guess what? Completely fine. The way I like to look at it is I just like to count my blessings. I didn't see this money unless I worked 40 long hours. No, my God. No, that's 40 hours is a week, bro. 40, 80, 160 hours, 160 hours of hard work. Showing up every single day and working for somebody else and breaking my back in. Pause. Literally though. It was hard ass work. And I used to work all month for that kind of money. So the fact that I can make $3,500 on my screen is just, it blows my mind, bro. It blows my mind. But yeah, going back to where we think Aussie's heading. As of right now, I mean, we can all agree we're bullish. Is it impossible for us to sell off? No. But it could be leaving these lows for the future, and that's completely fine. You don't want to marry that. Remember, we're bullish on the higher time frames right now. Bullish. And what price tends to do is it'll leave lows intact. So take what you can get. Because technically on the higher time frames, this was like considered a counter bias short, right? So I took what I can get out of the market. I got 30 pips, and on Aussie, that's completely fine. Gold continuing. That caused you back pain? Nah. Actually, to believe it or not, working in plumbing didn't cause me the back pain. It was all the running and gym I used to, all the running and gym I do. Fuck my injury up, but I'm on the uprise. I'm healing. I'm recovering. So I just wanted your brain, bro. Jay, you have to understand, man. For me to view the market like this, first of all, in no way, shape, or form is this strategy perfect, my system perfect. I'm not perfect. But this took me a disgusting amount of time, a disgusting amount of testing. Chart time, okay? For the people in here that think that, oh my God, I just want to see how you see the market. Guys, this did not come like this. Years, bro, years. You don't understand, man. I used to be so, bro. Look, chat. You know, if you want to see the reality, and I'd never recommend this, never. I did not see daylight, bro, daylight. I would lock myself in a room and stare at the charts, bro. Look at what my body ended up becoming. I look like the fucking Pillsbury man. Look at this, chat. Look at that. I was unhealthy as shit. I don't recommend that. And then I got to a point where I don't want to start showing you guys half naked photos of myself, but I'm in shape now. Gold running back for this high I told you guys about. At the end of the day, it's all worth it, man. I agree. It is. Always. And you know, a lot of people say, like, what does it take to get to a point of like success? You know, and it's actually not that hard to answer this question. I'll be honest with you. It takes hard work, period. There's no golden key. There's none of that bullshit. It takes hard work. That's it. It takes sacrifice, pain, failure, losses. That's what it takes. So if you guys are the type of people that show up to the charts and then it gets difficult and you guys stop showing up to the charts, yeah, you'll never find progress in trading. You'll never find results in trading. It's inevitable. You taught yourself, I did. Guys, remember how I said keep an eye on 1030 for the next move? Look at time the bullish move started, chat. Look at time the bullish move chart started. Let's see if I can grab I think I can. Is there a time? No. Look at my crosshair. 1031. $10.31. Boom. By the way, guys, when I woke up this morning, and you know what? This could be a lesson for all of you guys right now. I woke up this morning after a really shit sleep. Guess what? I knew right then and there I wasn't going to be trading today. I'm mentally not there. And if I'm mentally not there, I'm not going to put my accounts at risk. I have this trade running. Most likely probably going to get BE'd. I have 50% off. How much did I bank? I banked 2,100 on this trade. 2,100. Might get BE'd. But the lesson here is when I woke up, chat, I knew that I wasn't going to take a trade today. I felt like shit. I slept awful. My head was all over the place. I was tired. Wasn't in the highest and best of moods. You have to realize these kind of things, because these are the kind of days that if you do trade and you take a loss, maybe two, you will tumble and make a lot of mistakes. Again, it's your job as a trader to realize these things, to identify these things. Tomorrow's my physics exam. Much love and good luck. Good luck. Smash it out. Marco, are you still in Dubai? I am not. Going to Dubai next month with the wifey though. All right, chat. That's enough of tracking price today. You know what we'll do is we'll end the day off with a good giveaway. We're going to use a word that's very important for me today. We're going to use a word that's very important for me today. You can see it over here, can you? All right, chat, we're going to use a word that's very important for me, and this is going to be exclamation mark. Coffee. Close. The missus is close. The wifey's close. Sleep. Coffee is very important for me today. I need my caffeine today to get through my day. Appreciate you guys for rocking with me today. Yeah, man, I've been flat in futures. I've been flat with you guys all week. Monday, no trades. Tuesday, no trades. Wednesday, no trades. All week. You know, and it's boring sometimes to show up on stream and not trade every single day, but Bro, this is the reality of trading. I'll give you guys a moment to enter into today's giveaway. I'll shut it down soon. All right, chat. We're going to shut her down. Shut her down. No more entries. Oh, wait. I didn't even show you guys my screen. Wait. Forgive me. Forgive me. I didn't even show. I left it on. The camera on me. Wait. Don't shut it down yet. Don't shut it down yet. Mods, don't shut it down yet. Wait. Don't shut it down. I had it on my screen the whole time. I had it on my screen the whole time. Let them go. Let them go. That's my fault. My fault, chat. My fault. I had the screen set on myself. Let it go. Let it go. That's my fault, bro. My bad. Are you coming live tomorrow? I'm not live tomorrow. You guys are gonna have Abe tomorrow. Fucking savage, bro. You guys better join the stream and watch that guy trade, because he is different. Alright. That's it. No more entries. We're gonna shut her down. No more entries. No more entries, chat. No more entries. Entries all done. We're going to wait for Ant to send us in. This is my favorite part. So after I say entries are closed, then you have all the drones still trying to type it. Watch. Even after I spam the chat, guys, watch. You'll still see them. Look at them. You see? Doesn't matter. Chat, by the way, massive announcement. Brand new YouTube channel. Oh, I don't know if you guys are hearing that. I don't have the Ant. Can you send me? Can you maybe spam the? There it is. There it is. Chat. Big announcement in the chat right now. Go subscribe. Brand new YouTube channel from the team over at Prop Firm Trader. So what they're going to be doing at Prop Firm Traders, they're going to be just interviewing the best prop firm traders around the world, the biggest prop firm traders around the world. Lots to learn from them. So subscribe and look out for brand new content coming. It is being released shortly. It is being released shortly. So subscribe, do your thing. All right. I believe Ant sent me the names over here. You did. Perfect. Let me get them plugged in. Here we go. First spin is going to be for a free Apex account, chat. Free Apex account. Here we go. Here we go, chat. First winner is going to be Sambatia. Congratulations. Please type in chat. I'm curious to see, man, how many people use multiple accounts. There you go. Congratulations, bro. You've won yourself a free Apex account. W's for Sembatia. That's a bot, not here. Next winner is going to be for a free Alpha Capital account. Free Alpha Capital account. Here we go. Red Maroc. Yo, that's a brother right there. Been in the streams a lot. Showing love. Red Maroc. Congratulations. Alpha Capital account towards you. Red Maroc, you in here? Usually are. I believe in you. There you go. Guys, I don't need you guys to keep saying not here. I'll do my job and make sure they're here. Congratulations, bro. Guys, listen, if you guys do win an account today, please follow the instructions in chat to claim. I don't need you guys messaging me on Discord saying, I won in Chart Fanatics stream, but I can't claim the account. The instructions are in the chat, bro. It says follow the instructions in the giveaways channel on Discord to claim it within 24 hours. Okay? Now I believe in you. You guys can do this. Next account is going to be for 6 months Tradezilla. Here we go. J Costa 23. You've won yourself 6 months, sorry. 6 months to Tradezilla. Welcome to the Tradezilla family. Look what I'm rocking today, actually, chat. Here you go. Tradezilla. Boom. J Costa, where you at? J Costa, there we are. Congratulations, bro. You've won yourself 6 months to Tradezilla. Remember, please, guys, follow the instructions in the chat to claim your winnings. All right. Listen, low energy stream today. I understand. Low energy stream. I slept like shit. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Tomorrow, you're going to be with Mr. Abe. And I promise you guys, you do not want to miss his stream. The man is a savage. Okay? I appreciate every single one of you for hanging with me today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Love every single one of you. Appreciate all of you guys for hanging with me. All right. Have a great rest of your week. Remember, you have USD news tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Okay? Keep an eye on that. All right. Trade safe and be safe, everybody. I will see you guys soon. All the best. Take care.